Most educators are inherently lifelong learners. Learning new things and the joy of learning with others is why many of us became educators in the first place. You probably engage in several formal and informal ways to continue to learn about new ideas and strategies relevant to different content areas, teaching strategies, and of course, constantly evolving technologies. At one time, if you were the only teacher in your content area in your school, or even the only coach, you might have had little opportunity to share ideas with someone in your position. That's no longer the case, as digital technologies have made it easier to find and connect with others across campus or across the globe. The connections you make to support your continual learner as an educator and coach comprise your professional learning network, or PLN. Who's in your current PLN? How do you connect? Maybe you have a combination of colleagues at your site and others spread out across FCPS or beyond. The modern PLN knows no geographic bounds. If you're just starting your coaching PLN, you may want to start close with people you know and then branch out. If you're not using online resources or social media to create and expand your PLN, you'll find lots of tips and the resources to do just that. Regardless of the goals for your current continual learning, whether it's new teaching strategies, coaching tips, or exploring new technologies, a strong PLN is a great strategy to keep your learning going. As you review resources on the companion document, determine how they can help grow your professional network. Consider the action steps you can take and the evidence you can collect to demonstrate you clearly and consistently communicate and how you engage in continued learning, and identify at least one new strategy or resource to use to expand your PLN. Review the 3 objectives for this module. As you progress through the module, you'll collect evidence and create a product that explains your role as an ESPIS in Fairfax County Public Schools and how you grow and continue to contribute to a greater community of learning, nurture a growth mindset, and reflect on your own learning. You should decide what kind of product best relates to your role and how you practice being a reflective and learning leader. You may choose to craft a position paper or share entries from a reflective journal or document your practice with images or video. Or you may combine multiple elements or create several products. The only requirement is that your ultimate product be digital and that you share it.